Hello everyone and welcome to episode 119 of Fun with Trains. I'm Eric Thompson and we're here at the Strasburg Railroad. And also I have special guests with me. Here's Grandma. Grandma, hi.
Hi there. Hi there.
Hi.
And here's Aunt Suzanne. And Papa John is also with us, but he's parking his car up and he'll join us in a little bit. So for today's episode, we're going to go for a ride on the Strasburg Railroad. But first, let's wait to board for our train to come in. And also, I might bring you up with a little bit of history, or how about we just wait for the train to pull in? So, I'll see you when the train arrives. Okay, guys, we are at the Strasburg Railroad Station, and here comes our train that we're about to board. And I can hear that whistle. That's the whistle of Norfolk and Western steam locomotive number 611. Wow. So let's sit and watch the train pull into the station.
On the bricks, guys.
All right, here it comes into the station.
On the bricks.
They could. Steam milk the most. This is too. Don't milk them.
All right, guys, we are in the Marion parlor car, and here's say Aunt Suzanne, say hi.
Hello. Hello there, everybody.
Papa John,
Whoever's
you're on
reading the
camera.
menu.
Hello there.
Oh, I'm just filming the episode for Fun with Trains. So, we are in the Strasburg Railroad parlor car number 88 right here. I don't know if you can briefly hear it. You can hear 611 blowing her whistle. So, I want to tell you a little bit about... Papa John was just making a whistle. Anyways. So, I want to tell you a little bit about this railroad. This railroad was built it started operations in 1832 in the town of Bronx, Pennsylvania in Lancaster County, located 62 miles west of Philadelphia. At first, it was used as just a mineral railroad hauling goods around the area. In 1959, the Strasburg Railroad was refurbished and started running excursion services. The Strasburg Railroad owns a total of 4 steam locomotives. The first one is 06 ex-Canadian National 060 number 31, which was built in 1908 and has been at the railroad since 1960. It is currently out of service as of now and going under restoration. The exact day when it's going to come back to service is unknown. The next locomotive is 210 ex-Great Western 210 decapod locomotive number 90, which is the largest locomotive. Number 90 was built in 1924 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia and worked hauling sugar plum in Colorado before coming to the Strasburg in 1967. Then, the next locomotive is locomotive number 89, a 260 locomotive that was also an ex-Canadian National locomotive, and it's been with the Strasburg Railroad since 1972. And finally, the last locomotive to join the Strasburg fleet was ex-former Norfolk and Western 480 Macedon locomotive number 475, built in 1906. Thanks. As of today, locomotives 90, 475, and 89 are only the current locomotives running at the Strasburg Railroad. Today's Strasburg Railroad invites passengers to ride on the train on a 45-minute, 10-mile round trip from Strasburg to Lemon Place Junction and return. The coaches are a combination of parlor and lounge cars, a dining car, coaches, and open-air cars.
Here, lean over.
Oh, hold on, hold on, I just want to... Sorry about that, Aunt Suzanne was just taking a photo of me. So anyways, guys, we're going to be pulling soon. 611 is coupled up to the train, but before I do it, I want to tell you a little bit about 611, as I'm sure you already know from episode number 49. 611 was built in 1950 by the Roanoke Shops in Roanoke, Virginia for the Norfolk and Western Railroad. It served on the Norfolk and Western from 1950 to 1959 till the locomotive was retired and was donated to the Museum of Transportation in Roanoke, Virginia. In 1982, 611 was restored and returned to operational service for the Norfolk Southern steam program. However, in 1984, after Norfolk Southern decided to discontinue their program, 611 was once again returned to the Museum of Transportation. In 2015, 611 was then returned to service once again and has remained in service ever since. In 2019, 611 then came to the Strasburg Railroad to run excursions for the late summer and beginning to the fall seasons. And now 611 is back at the visiting Strasburg once again, and this time has been running excursion services since late May and is scheduled to run here until early October. Our train is about to leave soon, so get ready for the ride up to Paradise, which will begin very soon. Okay, guys, we are on the road to Paradise right now. We are in the parlor car number 88 and getting beverages ready. And as we come by, we're passing this farm festival at Cherry Crest.
Yeah.
It's a kid's farm.
Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, there's some hay coming into the train as well. And as we pass through here, we're going to be passing... Yep, hello. And as we pass through around this curve here, we're going to be passing through Cherry Hill, which is a picnic area where you can take your lunches. Well, unfortunately, because of the COVID pandemic, they're not doing it at the moment.
Oh my gosh, this is great to see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, see, look at the corners. Look at the kids are in. They're inside.
They gotta have flags and stuff. It's huge.
And as you all know, Pennsylvania is mostly known for its beautiful cornfields.
Every year they do different things.
Did you do that when you were here? When you went?
No, I didn't do that.
Maybe they were not here when that was. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, look, there are some horses.
That is cool.
And we're going to be passing through the picnic area right here.
You can get off there and sit. Then you can get off there and sit and put back up.
There's people having their picnic lunch, watching the train go by.
Do you believe in ghosts? I can tell you that
Alright guys, when we come up to Carpenter's Crossing, we're going to do the ghost whistle. Now let's see. No, I'm gonna record when we get to Carpenter's and you can hear the whistle for yourself.
We used to call it. Did someone say echo?
Yeah.
Why, we pay that ghost
Well, I don't know.
$27.50 a day
Well,
just to do
you
that
just heard
for
the
us.
ghost whistle right there.
Makes her the highest paid
All right, guys,
employee
I will
our
see you on the
railroad.
return journey
Ain't
when we
nobody
head back
ever
to
seen that ghost,
Strasburg.
but somebody keeps cashing those paychecks.
Apricot there.
Okay, guys, we just arrived at Strasburg. I'm at Lemon Place Junction. 611 has run around our train, coupled up to the front, and now we're heading back to Strasburg. I just got my refreshments. I'm having pretzels, cookies, and a Sprite. Really good. So this is the interior of the parlor car right here. Now, a little trivia about this car. This car was built in December 1910 and can carry up to... It was delivered to the Strasburg Railroad in 1971 as a regular coach car, but was converted into a parlor car in 1988. This car can carry up to 32 passengers and serves as a bar. Alright guys, well, that was 611 blowing a whistle for a crossing, and I'll see you when we get to Strasburg. Yep, we're good. Okay, everyone, we are pulling back into Strasburg. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Hey, if you're ever in down Pennsylvania, near Pennsylvania, this is definitely one of the greatest places to come to. All right, I'm gonna say goodbye. And say goodbye.
I didn't get to say goodbye.
All right, Papa John. Wait.
Bye.
Bye. All right, guys. Until then, I'm Eric Thompson. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Oh, until next time, I'm Eric Thompson. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.